my Fischertechnik drawing thing, etch-a-sketch type thing. So I have it here. It's using 3 motors, the 6 to 9 volt motors. One there, one here on the marker lift. Okay. Nope, there's not one on the marker lift. There's a oh. That keeps coming out. These connectors, this is older. But one on the marker left, one on the x-axis, which will be that, and one on the y-axis. There's nothing very wrong with it, but for custom maintenance, it always works. You have some end stop switches. End stops that have lights, indicator lights that also like act as drop resistors, but not perfect. Anyway, let's start drawing. Okay. Mode, if you want to actually draw. So where do you think it goes? Okay, down a little more. Give me one more. There. That's it. You can actually put the marker down a tiny bit more. But yeah. And chalk the end. Oh yeah, and down, marker down. That's one of the end stops. There, that's fine. You have it just a little bit lifted because of the hinge. Oh, and lift marker and show off the X end stops. Stop, turn off the lift. There. Stop. Okay. The X end stops. No, you missed the limit switch.
Oh, okay.
There's that limit switch. For custom maintenance. Again. Okay,
Is it going to make it past that? Nope. I'm going to lift it to make it past that. Okay.
Oh.